Let's see the more examples of LCM. Let's see, we find out the LCM of three numbers. Find the LCM of 18, 30 and 50. First factorize this number. First factorize the 18. Factorization of 18 is first divided by 2, that is 9. 9 to the 18, then again divided by 3 and 3 ones are 3. Then factorize the 30 divided by 2. The answer is 15. 15 to the 30. Then again divided by 3. 3 5 are 15 and 5 ones are 5. Then after that factorize the number 50 divided by 2. 2 to the 4 and 2 5 are 10. Again divided by 5. 5 5 are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So these are the factors of 18, 30 and 50. Factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Let's cross check. 3 to the 6 and 6 3 the 18. Now factorize the 30. Factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 3 to the 6 and 6 5 the 30. And then factors of 50 are 2 into 5 into 5. 5 to the 10 and 10 5 the 15. First find out here common factor. The common factor between three numbers are 2. Okay, now no more common factors. Let's see, if there are two numbers, then find out only common factors and non-common factor. Here are three numbers. So here now again common factor of, find out the common factor between two numbers. Common factor of 18 and 13. 18 and 30. Common factor between 18 and 30 is this is 3. 3 is a common factor of 18 and 13. Next find out common factors between 30 and 50. Sorry, 30 and 50. In between 30 and 50, the common factor is 5. Next, common factors of 80 and 50. 18 and 50. There is no common factor between 80 and 50, so this is a 1. Now, non-common factor. Non-common factors are 3 and 5. Write down here 3 and 5. Now LCM. LCM means the multiplication of all these numbers, that is 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 3 into 5. Now products is 2 3 the 6, 6 5 the 30, 31 the 30, 33 the 90 and 95 are 450. This is the LCM of 80, 30 and 50. Let's see, I explain it again. First factorize the all numbers. If three numbers of LCM is there, first factorize the all numbers. Then find out the common factor between these three numbers, that is 2. Then find out the common factors between two numbers. Means see here common factor of 80 and 30, that is 3. Common factor of 30 and 50, that is 5. Then common factor of 80 and 50, there is no common factor now between 80 and 50 because 2 is over. So write down there is 1 and the remaining factors are the non-common factors. Then LCM means what? The LCM means the product of these all numbers is equal to the LCM. So LCM of 80, 30, 50 is a 450. Let's see one more method is there by vertical arrangement. We saw the next example by using vertical arrangement. Question number 3. Find LCM of 15, 45 and 105. Let's see vertical arrangement. In vertical arrangement, if this common, see this, you can use the first common, factorize the all numbers, then common factor, then factors of between two numbers, then non-common factor, and then product of these all numbers means LCM. Instead of this, you can use here vertical arrangement. See, there are three numbers, 15, 45 and 105. First tell me, first divided the common divisible of 15, 45 and 105. First use the test of divisibility to find the prime number, that divide all the numbers and then divide the given numbers. Repeat this process for the quotient as many times as possible. So let's see here, this 15, 45 and 105 is divisible by 3. So if you divide by 3, then here 3 5s are 50, 3 9s are 45, sorry, 3 15 3s are 45 and 35 3s are 105. So your answer is 5, 15 and 35. Now let's again find out the use your divisibility test to divide the 5, 15 and 35. Common factor is 5. Again divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15 and 5 7s are 35. So here LCM is equal to, LCM means the multiplication of these numbers, three into 5 into 1 into 3 into 7. 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45 and 45 7s are 315. This is the LCM of 15, 45 and 105. Maybe this is easy method. Let's see one more example by using vertical method. LCM of not 18, it's repeated. Okay, 18 and 32. Here 18 and 32. These two numbers are divisible by common number by 2. 2 9s are 18 and 16 2s are 32. Now let's see, 9 and 16 these are the common divisible number? No. So here LCM is equal to 2 into 9 into 16. So answer is 288. Because this is the common factor and these are the non-common factors. Okay. So here LCM of 18 and 32 is 288.